Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Hope you all are fine. I am Hamid Iqbal Khan, calligrapher and calligraphy teacher in third generation. As you know that today I am writing Arabic calligraphy basic lesson with cut marker. With cut marker I have decided that I should write some handwriting style in Naskh style. This is a traditional calligraphy writing style, Naskh. In Naskh script I have choose to write one of prayer dua. Ya Wahab Habli min nemati dinya wal akhirah innaka antal Wahab. This you can see that how to hold cut marker while writing, and you can observe the shape of the letters are bit changed. Before this I was doing some letters practice on sul style, but now this is called Naskh. In this style the circles width is less than sul style, and you can see the shapes of the letters and words are also changed. So I welcome all the students who want to learn this art of calligraphy, who want to know that what type of markers, what type of materials are used in calligraphy. Do practice with me and write in the same way as I am writing. This cut marker is available in the market. You can buy easily from any stationery shop, and hold marker in proper way to write all these words. As you know that calligraphy is our traditional heritage, we should introduce this art to our new generation so that they would be knowing our actual heritage. This is our actual heritage, and we should try to promote this noble art in the world. I hope everyone can learn this art by observing these words and shapes of letters. By observing this video, you would be knowing that how to hold cut marker and how to write Naskh style, how to write letters, how to write letter Waw, how to write letter Alif, how to write their Arab. This is very important that you should be knowing that where I should put the Arab. It should be on the proper place. You can see Ya Wahab Habli min nemati dinya wal akhirah I have written. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson, and inshallah I will come with the next video next time. Till that time, Allah Hafiz.